Hi, I'm Aubrey. Today I'm going to show you how to change a cabin air filter. Never pay the dealership to do this job. They might charge you over $100. First step, we have to open the glove box. Now you gotta take everything out. Squeeze both sides and pull down gently. There's a lever on the left side. And clip the cover. Pull the old filter out. This one is overdue. We went with a Honda filter because it's inexpensive.
It's pretty good.
So it should go in like this. So get it into an angle, then push it. Airflow going down. Next, clip the cover in place. Lift the glove box. Then clip the lever back into place. Then close your glove box. That's how you do it.
Pretty good, girl.